Hello, I'm Jason from the Deepernauts. Now that you can import and export the custom domain files, you might want to import your own file. This is how you'll do it. This is my preferred method for adding multiple domains to one location, or bulk routing. Head over to the custom domain inside Smart Rules and choose the country that you wish to route to. Once you've routed, I'm going to give myself an example. So I type in a bunch of zeros and a 1.com and add it to my list. I'm going to delete this very soon. As soon as I export the list, I choose the entry that I just added to delete, and then I check my CSV file. Just by hitting spacebar, I can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I can see the region and the country. I want to copy the region and the country together, which is ASC and then HK. To make this very simple, I head over to the website edit-csv.net. I need 4 columns. The first column will be your domains, and then column 2, 3, and 4 will be the entries that you just copied from the CSV file, ASC, HK. In column 1, you will add your domains, not your IP addresses, only domains. In this example, I will route domain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to Hong Kong. Once I enter all of my domains, I download the CSV file, head back into AtomOS, and then import the CSV file that I just downloaded. Searching through my list, you can see that I will be able to find domains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that are currently routed to Hong Kong. This is how you customize your own CSV file and add a bulk amount of domains to one specific location. This will work for streaming services, applications, anything that you wish. That is how you edit your own CSV file.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.